Turning our attention now to the ASX. Here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, where we break down the latest ASX announcements from public companies that are doing interesting things. Today's Bulls and Bears report is brought to you by Imugene, ASX code IMU. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now on 6PR by the Managing Director of Imugene, Leslie Chong. Hi, Leslie.
Hi there, Matt.
Well, Imugene is an Australian-based clinical stage immuno-oncology company developing a range of innovative cancer treatments, some of which seek to trigger a patient's very own immune system to combat cancer. Unusually, the company is fully funded to the completion of clinical trials on many of its evolving anti-cancer products thanks to a recent capital raising. Leslie, how many products do you have in development right now and what are the principal cancers that they're seeking to fight?
2 platforms, and then out of those we have 4 products. So essentially there's 4 clinical trials and 2 are already in the clinic or about to hit the clinic.
Okay, what are the sort of cancers that they're seeking to deal with?
We've got it in gastric, non-small cell lung cancer is a product that we call an oncolytic virus. CF33 is the name, and that's in head and neck cancer, advanced melanoma, triple-negative breast cancer, head and neck, advanced melanoma, non-small cell lung, bladder, gastric, colorectal, renal cell carcinoma, you name it, we're targeting it.
Which is the most advanced product that you've got and what stage is that?
Our most advanced product is called a HER2. So we call that Hervax, and that is in gastric cancer.
I see you recently announced the granting of a patent for one of your products in the USA, which I suspect is probably the world's largest pharmaceutical market. What product was that and what does it do exactly?
That is from our B-cell immunotherapy products, targeting your B cells to create your own antibodies to go against your particular cancer type. So it's semi-natural, it's somewhat organic. You don't have to deal with the toxicities and the safety issues that come with chemo or monoclonal antibodies or checkpoint inhibitors that are out there.
Ultimately, small biotech companies hope to be taken out by big ones. Are you seeing much merger and acquisition activity in your particular space, Leslie? And what do you estimate the size of your marketplace to be?
Absolutely. That's the game of big pharmaceutical company, is to find biotech companies like mine. There's a small biotech company out of Australia that was taken up for $500 million. We think that it's a huge likelihood that we too will be taken up.
Leslie Chong from Imugene, thanks very much for joining me on 6PR today. And just remember, Bulls and Bears is only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney. Thanks for listening to Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page at 6pr.com.au and click the Public Companies tab.